So I got everything all pinned. So the only thing I have to do now is sew it, the bias onto the arm. Let's see how this is going to work for me. Let me put my presser foot down, move my needle. Okay. Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and back stitch. Okay, looks good. I think before I finish the dress, I'm going to go ahead and fill the bobbin. Okay, now the turn is gonna get kind of, let's see if I got the turn really good. Right up under the armpit. Okay. Then I'm coming across the seam of the dress. And I pin that seam closed. There we go. And I think we've made the turn without sewing wrinkles and pleats and all that fun stuff that you sew on turns that you have to take the seam ripper and take it out. I don't think I did that. Looking at the bobbin, and then I'm doing this because I don't want to sew like a bunch, and then you have to take a seam ripper and take it apart. I don't want to do that. I make enough mistakes already without making any extra ones. You're gonna pin that right there. He's getting kind of thrifty. Okay, so take that one off. There's a little thread still left in the bobbin. Keep on going. Yep, little thread still there. And take this you know. Okay, I didn't like that sound, but there's thread in the bobbin. Ear itch. Okay. Right now I'm gonna reverse back stitch. Come back out of my back stitch. And then lift my needle up. Then the presser foot, and we're all good to go. So basically on the next step, it's gonna be the same thing I did. Just gonna go ahead and put in the bias tape. You see it came out good, you guys. There's not any bumps. Let's look at it. Nope. Nope. Almost right there. You see, but there isn't one. It went through. It's just a turn. Okay, so there's the bias tape, and it's on the actual arm of the dress. Now I'm going to go ahead and iron and sew and put the other piece of bias tape on the other side. Not going to put you guys through that again. You've already seen it. And then when I come back, I think we'll be going ahead and do the collar and put the interfacing on the collar and all that fun stuff. So go ahead, if you like my little videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. After this dress, I'll probably make another one. Let's go ahead and see how this one comes out and everything. Nope, that's not a turn. I thought I made like a boo-boo right there, but it's not. If it did, you just get the seam ripper, take it apart, start all over. Okay, toodles, y'all.